Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be decorating my creative journal for the week of September 11th through the 17th. And I've been switching the layout up in my creative journal all year. I thought I was going to keep doing recovery layout, but when it came time to decorate it, I never really felt like doing it. So I'm thinking I'm just going to do what I want to do, and that is just switch it up all the time. So this week, I just decided to use vertical, and this is a page from one of the Squad Girl planners from the spring. I'm going to be using the new Modern Farmhouse sticker book. This just released. This is gorgeous. It's my favorite sticker book out of the new release, I think, and so I really wanted to use it this week in my journal. I'm also going to be using this gravy box. I don't know if you remembered my video where I did a gravy unboxing a couple months ago, but I haven't used anything in this box yet, and it sort of has a junk journaling vibe, and this is sort of vintage-like, so combination, you know, like friends together in my planner. I don't know. We're gonna see. So in here, I think the one thing I'm gonna use for sure is this flower diary. There's papers in here, and it just feels sort of the vibe of this. There's also all sorts of other stuff in here. Look at that envelope, has a bunch of stuff, and all of this. I mean, there's tons of, I don't even know if I'm going to use anything else, but really, really cute stuff in here. I will link this for you. You can buy this on Amazon, this particular box, but also Gravy has a subscription box that you can get as well, and I will link that for you too. It's like a monthly subscription. They call it a scrapbook club box, I think, but really, really cute stuff. I was very pleased with this. It seemed like high quality products in there, and you get a lot for your money. Okay, but I thought it would be a good idea to use papers from there at least. And the first stickers that popped out to me are these. I mean, how gorgeous are these illustrations? And I just thought this would be perfect for an early September spread as we're moving into fall. I don't know. I know it's fruit and maybe that's more summery, but to me the colors felt fall-like, so I really like that. Let's look at these. There's so many of these to choose from in this little book. They're so cute and they're all different. That one might be really pretty, or that one. I saw one towards the front. I thought, wait, where was it? Not that one. I looked at that one too. It almost looks like berries, but oh, I was thinking this one. Let me pull this one out, because the colors are kind of right, and it has the yellow in there too. It just feels sort of right to me. So let's use some of this. I also have a piece of Archer & Olive craft paper out of the Neapolitan notepad. So I thought I would combine both of these, like rip some papers up and just, I don't know, combine it with some of the fruit. I don't really have any like full ideas or anything, but if you know me, you know I like to take you along for the ride. So that's what we're doing. I just thought I'd rip some of these papers. Not that way. Not that way. Oh my gosh. This way? Yeah. Because I want the rips to show on the outside, sort of. There's a few pieces. I have some Tombow mono adhesive tape here, and I'm going to go ahead and I wanted them to be not as square, but I thought just little bits and not big hunks, although this one may be bigger. What if I did something like that on each side? Whoops, I just messed it up. Maybe just a little there. And then some of this, I don't know, or underneath that, and then combine it with some fruit. I could also get some other papers to combine with that one. take this one out. Okay, we'll see what we can do here. This is just me trial and error, just trying to figure out what is going to look good. Now these stickers are on clear, so it's going to be a little bit tricky because I'm going to have to, I wanted to layer them on top of the paper, but I don't think I can. And that's okay. Let's just put some of this down to start and see where we're at here. I will link everything I use in the description box of this video. I really do appreciate when you use my links. Why is this not working? All right, here's another one. Let's throw a little bit of this in there too. Trust the process. I know it looks a little weird right now, but we are gonna make it work. So it is gonna have a junk journaling kind of vibe, which I really like. Don't be afraid to just rip up stuff and stick it in your planner and just see how it looks. This one sort of looks like, I don't know, South America, but we're just gonna go ahead and put some of these down and see what happens. It might look magical or it might look terrible, but that's the fun of it, right? Pears. Who doesn't love pears? I mean, not everybody loves pears, but I like the way they look. I actually like the way they taste too. I don't eat them that much though. I feel like I want to white out this a little bit. I'm just using a gel pen. This is not ideal. I don't have my good gel pen. My stuff in my office is still all over the place. You're not going to get an office tour for quite a while. My guess is maybe January or so. I know I said it's going to be earlier, but you know, life gets in the way and I'm not rushing. I want to make sure it's just the way I want it, really cute, really organized, and then you will get a big tour. However long that takes. If it takes me 10 years, it'll take me 10 years. It's not going to, but you never know. Anyway, so my good white pen is currently lost, but it will be found when I organize this room. I still have a lot of stuff in boxes. Blueberries, maybe. Let's put that pear down first. That's cute, isn't it? Oh, I really like that. Let's put the blueberries right there. And some apples. Apples remind me of September. Actually, on my Patreon this month, the challenge is, like, we have a challenge every month. I challenge them to make certain spreads. This month, the challenge is apples. So I don't know if this one counts for me, because I always tend to forget to do the challenges. Terrible, I know. But you would think I'd have a planner for that, right? But maybe this one will count. There's apples in it. I don't know if it counts for an apple spread though. Strawberries. This is gonna match the pink here, I guess. And we'll put these like that. Put that apple down. It's looking great so far. I think it has a really cool vintage vibe and I am all for it. Let's grab this. That one, I was gonna put it down here, but that's too much blue and blue. There's also another page of these back. When I placed my order, so today I'm filming this on the Happy Planner release day, and when I placed my order, I forgot I was gonna get another one of these sticker books because they're so pretty. But I forgot. How about the peach? I want to get another one of these and another one of maybe the Pastimes sticker book. I don't know. I definitely want a second one of those. So I might have to place another order. That would not be the first time that I've placed 2 orders for a new release and lost out on shipping money. But, you know, the heart wants what the heart wants. What can I say? Put the blue one there. Okay, that's looking pretty good so far. I know maybe another couple of like this. Now, you might be thinking, Mary Ellen, aren't you going to write on Sunday? Not necessarily, because this is for my journal. If this were for my planner, I wouldn't cover up Sunday all the way, but this is for creative journal. And when I journal, I don't necessarily journal every day. I journal all over for the whole week. And if you've seen some of my journaling videos, you know what I mean. So it's not necessarily, you know, a problem for me. But if you're using it in your planner, I'd suggest maybe doing, like, leaving more space on Sunday, maybe doing it more thin and putting more in the corners. Same here, but this is a sidebar, so I mean, you know, there's plenty of room for the sidebar if you don't use it. I sort of want more cherries over here. I think I should have put those here and that one here. Let's move that. Let's put a couple of these little flowers around the cherry just to make it a little busier on this side because this side was lacking. And maybe something right there. Maybe some of those little flowers there too. Like this little guy. Okay. That looks so cute so far. I almost could just leave it alone because it's so cute, but I'm not going to because I take it too far always. But I was looking at these boxes, but also there's some really cute boxes. These I was looking at, so cute, and these ones. So maybe a combo of that. I really like these. Let's take this yellow one. It's going to complement the craft paper. There's also some smaller boxes in here as well. And these ones I thought were really pretty. They're real busy, but the spread is already kind of busy, so maybe we should use some of these. How about a green one? It's pretty busy. I think I shouldn't put the busy boxes next to the busy sides. Maybe I should put them closer to the middle. So we'll do a couple of these. Let's see. This color is perfect for the paper that I have. Let's put this here. And we could use a couple of the ones with the strawberries on them, but there's also plain boxes too. And there's also these big double boxes, which would be good, I think. I really like these big quotes, but since I already put a lot of fruit on the paper, it is looking very busy, so I don't know. Maybe I'll use one quote. I really like that, be humble and kind. I really like this, make today a good day. Now you might be thinking, why did you put it right in the middle there? I usually typically write around things in my journal. I write all over the place. So for me, that's kind of fun. So sometimes I make space for little things. Sometimes I'll write a big word sideways or something. Yeah, I really like doing things like that. Maybe we put another big box on that side. Uh-oh, it fell on the page. No. That's a lot of pink, but that's all right. That's all right. It's also very busy, but that's okay. It's a-okay. Let's get another one of these kind of boxes. So I think it's going to be very box heavy in the middle, which is kind of cool actually. How about, let's balance out this pink by putting this up here. Maybe we layer a little bit. It has a real romantic vibe, don't you think? I think it has a romantic vibe, and I'm here for it. I like it. Maybe we add some plain boxes in, the smaller ones here. Just to fill up some of those areas. Cluster this one with those two. And then maybe like this. That's looking strange, isn't it? Maybe we'll put a decorative sticker right here. That's a lot of boxes, but I write in a lot of boxes, so we're okay. We need more up here though. I think more squares because that's sort of the look we're going for at this point, I guess. Maybe we do a peach one up there. How about right here? Okay. I really like these B's. Be grateful, be your best self, be true to you, be wonderful, be bold and brave. What message do I want this week? How about be authentic? I like that. Put that guy there. And then maybe we put another one right there. Which color do we want? I think green. Be true to you. A couple of B's, and now I definitely want a couple of quotes or something. It is up to you to see the beauty in everyday things. Perfect. I think here. Let's let that dry a second. We're going to need to select something to go there. I know it's very busy, but my spreads at the end are super busy, especially my journaling spreads. So, but I know also when this is a before the pen, so sometimes the before the pens don't look as perfect as I'd like them to look. But I know that when I go and fill, like for example, some of the spacing's a little strange. This is a little odd, but I'm not going to put anything there because when I go to fill it out, I write in that space, and at the end it's gorgeous. So you have to trust the process sometimes. Sometimes you get a great before the pen spread and it looks terrible after, and sometimes you wait and see it at the end and it is beautiful. So that's what I'm going to do here. But I want to put something there. Maybe not as big as that, but should it be a circle? This one's really cute. Or this one. Be like a flower and reach for the sun, or be filled with wonder. I think I'm going to go with the sun one because the green here is gorgeous, but I'm not sure it's matching the other greens on my page. Do you see how it's very sort of pastel and the rest aren't? So I think I'm going with this. I know it's super busy next to that box with the leaves, but I'm going to do it anyway, and I know that I'm overlapping that box, but that's okay with me, so we're going to do it. And I know it's a lot, because you like it's right over that. I understand. It's too much. You know what? I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to be a perfectionist today. I'm going to do my thing. And my thing today is to leave it and let it speak for itself after the pen. I may even put some stickers up here throughout the week. And that's another thing. When I fill these out throughout the week, I tend to keep the sticker book nearby and I intersperse little stickers to fill up weird looking gaps or if there's too much white space in one spot. And it ends up looking really, really cute. Say I don't write here, I could put little flowers going down, that kind of thing, or little doodles. So I love this spread. I love these stickers combined with these papers from 𝘰𝘃, I think. And actually, I said 𝘰𝘃. It's actually 𝘬𝘃, and I messed up again. The company told me it was 𝘬𝘃, not 𝘰𝘃. But yeah, I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but this vibe is so totally me. Is it you guys? All right, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.